This world haven't even heard of the real God.
Praise the Most High.
Yasharahla.
All I do is praise the Most High every day. I lost friends some of my life since I start to praise the Most High. Got some evil eyes since I start to praise the Most High. Have been criticized since I start to praise the Most High. I don't need your company. The Most High send angels to me to guide and protect your life. I don't need your company. The Most High send angels to me to guide and protect your life. Living in this world of sin, there is no one to say, my brother, you're doing wrong. The minute you start doing the right, your old friend gave you a fight. A blind can't lead the blind, I need some insight. I work for the Most High God, the ruler of creation, giving noises and praises to whom all blessings come from. I don't need your company. The Most High send angels to me to guide and protect your life. I don't need your company. The Most High send angels to me to guide and protect your life.
Talk about the resurrection and the geological location. Bruce me go tell them we are the true Israelites and we are live by that tradition. Bruce me go tell them the name when them a call upon is not the right one. Higher is his name and that's so everything go wrong.
Working for the Most High God, the ruler of creation, the Most High God, from whom all blessings came from. I don't need your company. The Most High send angels to me, guide and protect your life. I don't need your company. The Most High send angels to me, guide and protect your life. Babylon be still while I blow my trumpet. Pagans be still. Me I go say a prayer for me enemy this time. Yes, I'm gonna pray. Me I go say a prayer for the wicked and bad mind every day.
Yasharahla.